Can the Federal Reserve print money forever? The Federal Reserve is the central banking system of the United States and is responsible for setting monetary policy and printing currency. Over the years, the Federal Reserve has been able to increase or decrease the money supply in order to influence the economy. But can it print money forever? Is the Federal Reserve able to expand the money supply indefinitely? In this video, we'll explore the answer to these questions and discuss the pros and cons of the Federal Reserve's ability to print money. How does the Federal Reserve print money? Before we can answer the question of whether or not the Federal Reserve can print money forever, we must first understand how it currently prints money. The Federal Reserve is able to create money by purchasing securities from the government, such as treasury bonds. When the Federal Reserve purchases these securities, it pays for them with money that it has created. This new money enters into circulation, increasing the money supply. The pros and cons of the Federal Reserve's ability to print money. The ability of the Federal Reserve to print money has both pros and cons. On the one hand, it allows the Federal Reserve to respond quickly to changes in the economy. By increasing the money supply, the Federal Reserve can boost economic growth and reduce the impact of recessions. On the other hand, the ability to print money can lead to inflation, as too much money in circulation can drive up prices. It can also lead to a decrease in the value of the currency, as the purchasing power of the money decreases. Can the Federal Reserve print money forever? Now that we have a basic understanding of how the Federal Reserve prints money, we can explore the question of whether or not it can do so forever. The short answer is no. The Federal Reserve cannot print money indefinitely, as it is limited in its ability to expand the money supply. The Federal Reserve is constrained by the size of the economy, as it can only create a certain amount of money before inflation becomes a problem. Additionally, the Federal Reserve must be careful not to create too much money, as this can lead to a decrease in the value of the currency. Conclusion: the Federal Reserve is able to print money, but it cannot do so indefinitely. The Federal Reserve must be careful not to expand the money supply too quickly, as this can lead to inflation and a decrease in the value of the currency. Ultimately, the Federal Reserve must strike a balance between increasing the money supply to stimulate the economy and controlling inflation.